Hello friends, welcome to C programming tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about input and output. So first we discuss about what is the input and what is output. So for example, I am going to perform addition operation in calculator. So what can I do? I press 2 in the calculator, then I press plus, then I press 3, then I am going to press equals to, then I got the result 5. In this, the 2 plus 3, so these are the input I gave. So based on the input, it returns some result. This we are called as a output. So how you give this input? So by using the keyboard. By using the keyboard, you give the input. So how we know the output? By seeing on monitor. Okay, that means, so how we can give the input to the program? By using keyboard. So how we can see the result? By using the monitor. That means keyboard is a input device. So monitor is a output device. Okay, now we see. So before going that, we are going to know about stream. So what is a stream? A stream is a source of data or destination for data. Okay, here in this case, so what is the source of data? Here we get the data from keyboard. Another one is destination for data. So here there is a file. So this is the data. The destination of file is monitor. It is associated with terminals or with a file stored in secondary memory. That means sometimes you are going to read the values from a file. The file is stored in the secondary memory. Okay. So now, what is a string? A stream is nothing but the sequence of bytes. That means some data. So this data you are going to get from the keyboard. Now, if I enter 2 plus 3, so 2 plus 3. This 2 plus 3 is stored in this text stream. At this time, that is input stream. And I convert these 2, 3 into data and stored in some variable. So that is input stream we call. So what is the output stream? Some data is available. Now this data I want to present onto monitor. So this data will be converted into the output text stream. Then it is present on monitor. Okay, I hope you all are understand what is a stream. So stream is nothing but a sequence of bytes. That means data. The data is in the form of input stream or output stream. Okay, so we have two types of streams actually. So one is text stream and second one is a binary stream. In this class we are going to learn about only text streams. So binary streams consists of data values, that is integer, real number or float values. That is a memory representation. We discuss these binary streams in our future classes. By seeing this diagram, so what we understand, you are going to write one program, one C program. In this C program, you are going to read the values from keyboard, that is data source, and you are going to perform some operations and we get some data as a result. Now, so this data is going to print on monitor. So this keyboard is data source. From this data source, we are going to take the input text string. So this data is, the stream is converted into the data processing. We get some data. Now to represent this data on monitor, first we can convert this data into output text stream and display on the monitor. So this we are called as a data destination. Okay, so let us see one example. So this is addition of two numbers. For that you are going to take two variables, A, B. So A, so this is the memory, and B. In this memory you are going to store some value. I want to read the values from the keyboard. How we can give the values from the keyboard? We press 2 and 3. For example, I press 2 space 3. Now, so this is in the input stream. Now, so by using one function, that function is scanf. Scanf. This function converts this 2, 3 into data variable. So 2 space 3 now, so 2 a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. A equals to 2 and b equals to 3. Okay, so by use the scanf, we can discuss in detail. C equals to a plus b, so c is another variable 5. So now, so this data I want to present on the monitor. For that we are going to use printf. Printf. So what is the purpose of the printf? The printf is used to print the message on monitor. So the 5 is the data. So the printf convert this data into output text stream and present on the monitor. You can answer yourself how you can read the values from the keyboard by using the scanf. So how we can print the message on the monitor by using the printf function. Okay, these two functions we are going to use repeatedly in our future programs. So remember this, scanf is used to read the values from the keyboard. So printf is used to print the message on monitor. Okay, so now the printf. So what is the purpose of the printf? For output formatting. So what is the output formatting? It converts the data into output text string. Converts data into text string for output to the monitor. Similarly, the scanf is a input function. So for input formatting, converts text stream coming from keyboard to data values and store them in a program variables. So this is the example. You take the values 2, 3. These 2, 3 are stored in variable a, b. Okay, I want to present the data on monitor, for example C. So C is 5. Now this converted as a output text stream and present on monitor. Okay.